I'm here to talk about a combination chart where we're selling houses in Fantasyville and we have average prices and square footage. And we want the numbers to appear in a line chart for the right side average price. Otherwise, it's not going to make sense. Next thing here, we're looking at the years. What I did, I typed an apostrophe before each year. That made it a label. Otherwise, it becomes a genuine nightmare to format. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to highlight the range. This whole thing here. Now, that is selected. I go to Insert. I will go into right here, Insert Combo Chart. It gives you this preview here. You don't want the square footage like that. You have this. You have this. Some people might like that. I have no idea who would. But we do that. We've got the chart created. And I'm just going to move this down here a little bit. And I'm going to scroll down so we could see it. So everything looks terrific. And I can click inside here, go in the top, Fantasyville Home Sales. And then you have different styles in here in the design under chart tools. It shows several of them. I'll click on that. Looks good. Everything is accurate. Let's say we don't want the decimal points here. It's kind of redundant. I click in here. I double click. And it says Format Axis. You've got several objects here. It goes into considerable amount of detail here. And if I want to do this, I'm in here, Axis Options. I click on Number here. And I scroll down. I don't want any decimal points. I say 0. Now, I have that done. I could change a lot of things in here. Let's say I want to have the maximum value showing up here. It's showing 4,000 there. I could change things if I want it to be 5,000 for the maximum. It shows things a little bit different there. You could always undo. I just did a Control Z or Command Z here. I've done that. Now let's say I want to display the prices. I click on one of these bars here. I could click on the plus over here. And then I could say data labels. And I could say it shows them in different places here. They're kind of big, but you got the graph there. You want to make it simple, showing you a few extra features here. You can widen this if you need to. So we've got that there. If you want to change a color of something, like the text here, best thing when I'm on the Home tab, I can make it red. Any color I want, I can click over here. Inside here, make that red, red. Actually, I would prefer another color, but I'm just showing you this as an example. And then I can make the font larger if I want to. That big A expands it a bit. So you've got that in there. You can put this on a separate sheet if you want to. You're on the Design tab. You could say change, move chart, and I could say new sheet. Say OK. We have something that is in there. You can see the fonts are sometimes a little too small. I can go into here again on the Home tab, and I could just enlarge it a bit. You can see how it shrinks things down here. Purpose is to simplify, not complicate. And then I could go down here again and enlarge that. And right there. You could also change the colors here. I'm on the Design tab here. Change colors. So you can do whatever you want in there. You can go into Quick Layout. Shows different things here. Hover the mouse. I'll stick with what I have. So this is done. As a little bonus thing here, if I right click inside here in a tab, I click on unhide, and I have the solution sheet there. So you have that. I would not say don't bury something in there because anybody could find out your profit margins on your fantasy homes.